Hello friends, welcome back to my page. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I typically achieve my sweet slick down hairstyle. For those that follow me on here, you know that that's one of my favorite types of hairstyle for my natural hair. So I typically use different types of gel on my hair. I use the got to be at the front part of my hair. I use other types of gel in between, and I just prefer to use the got to be on my edges because it holds my edges better than all those other gels that I showed you guys. So yeah, this is me just applying my gel, and then for this particular hairstyle you need your bristle brush. If you don't have a bristle brush, chances are you will not achieve a nice sleek hairstyle. So this is just me slapping on gel onto my hair and using my bristle brush to just slick everything down. Ignore my straight face, and it looks like I'm using a lot of force ball. I don't know, my face just appears like that when I'm making my hair, so just ignore it. So this is what my hair looks like now after I've slapped on all the gel, and I just like to twist the edge of my hair. At this point, if your hair isn't so long, feel free to put some type of extension, but for me, I think I'm just going to do with my natural hair. Everything you're seeing here is my natural hair. And yeah guys, the next stage for me now is to just do some makeup and then work on my edges. For this portion of the tutorial, it's all optional. If you just like your hair looking all natural and all that, you can stop. But for me, I like when my edges look sleek and everything just looks really sleek. I don't know how to teach people how to do their edges. Even myself, I just always watch people and try new things with my hair. So there's no serious instructions at this point. Just feel free to watch what I'm doing, and if you like, replicate it on yourself. And I'm just going to do some telephone wires at the sides because I'm just feeling the look, okay? And yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. I'm just going to work on doing my telephone wire, like I said, and then I'm going to repeat this exact same process on the other side of my center part. If you enjoy tutorials like this on here on my page, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll just be sharing little snippets of what I do in my hair on here with you guys. And yeah guys, also please don't forget to like this video, share with somebody that you think would love this kind of short tutorial. I know you guys don't know how to pay attention for too long, so I'm going to be bringing short tutorials like this on here from time to time. So this is my finished hair, and I just went ahead to spray some got to be holding spray onto my hair just to allow the sleek look stay put, and this is the final result. Absolutely stunning. Please feel free to follow me on here for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.